The International Space Station is a convergence of science, technology, and human innovation, an orbiting science lab where astronauts live, work, and prepare for even bolder human exploration missions. With the retirement of the shuttle program, NASA challenged American industry to provide safe, reliable, and affordable transportation to the space station in order to maintain U.S. leadership in space exploration and scientific discovery. NASA's commercial partners, SpaceX and Orbital Sciences, met that challenge, ending our temporary reliance on others to resupply the station. These American companies are delivering critical supplies and science experiments to the International Space Station that expand our understanding of the universe and clear the path for deeper human exploration into the solar system. One recently returned investigation aboard a SpaceX Dragon spacecraft was the coarsening in solid liquid mixtures experiment, an important trial that will help American engineers back on Earth develop even more durable and stronger materials for automobile, aircraft, and spacecraft parts. The ability to deliver and return frozen space station cargo, including biological samples, is essential for scientists hoping to better understand how the human body can thrive in long-term spaceflight. These and other important results gained in space also have direct benefits here on Earth. One experiment on human immune cells, scheduled to fly next year, requires astronauts to access samples very quickly after the cargo arrives to the space station. Spaceflight capabilities developed through the COTS program make this experiment possible. With hundreds of ongoing experiments, the International Space Station will be a platform of discovery for years to come. The amazing breakthroughs in scientific research will be made possible and carried aloft to the orbiting laboratory by NASA's American partners, SpaceX and Orbital Sciences. But the success of NASA's commercial cargo program is just beginning. Soon, private American companies will be transporting our astronauts to the station on spacecraft launched from U.S. soil. Thanks to American ingenuity and NASA's never say never attitude, the future of space exploration is indeed bright.